In this video, you'll learn how to transfer tables from OpenAI to Notion. This process involves creating a table in ChatGPT and then copying it into Notion for your use. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate data from one platform to another. Begin by navigating to Notion. Open your preferred web browser and enter, quote, notion.so, quote, in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion interface. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your workspace. This step is critical as you need to be logged in to create or modify content. Next, locate the option to add a new page. This is usually represented by a button labeled add a new page or a plus sign. Click this button and a blank page will open, allowing you to start fresh. You should now be on a new page that is ready for your input. After creating a new page in Notion, it is time to switch to ChatGPT. Enter, quote, ChatGPT interface is visible. You will be ready to generate the table you need. Ensure that you are signed into your ChatGPT account for a seamless experience. Proceed to type the command make a sample table for Notion into the input field of ChatGPT. This instruction prompts the AI to create a table formatted for Notion. After inputting your command, press the enter key to submit your request and wait for the AI to generate the table. Once ChatGPT has generated the table, look for an option to copy the output. This is typically indicated by a button labeled copy. Click on this button, which will save the table to your clipboard. Confirm that the table has been copied successfully before moving to the next step. Return to Notion by switching back to the tab where you have it open. Click on an empty space on your newly created page. This action will ensure that your focus is on the correct location for pasting the copied table. You should see a cursor blinking in the blank area. Now, paste the content you copied from ChatGPT. You can do this by right-clicking in the empty space and selecting Paste from the context menu, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. The table should appear in your Notion page at this point. After pasting the table, you may want to add some descriptive text. Click again in the blank area and type a brief description of the table you have just pasted. This can help you remember the purpose of the table or provide context for future reference. Next, click on the title area of your Notion page. This is typically located at the top of the page. Enter a suitable title for your page that reflects the content within. A clear title helps in organizing your Notion workspace effectively. Now, add an icon to your page for better visual appeal. Click on the Add Icon option, which may be represented by an icon placeholder. This will open a selection of icons for you to choose from. Select an icon that resonates with the theme of your table. Once you have selected an icon, you can also choose a color for it. Click on the color options that appear after selecting the icon. This allows you to customize the appearance of your page further and enhance its aesthetic. After customizing the icon, click on a blank space on your page to finalize your changes. This action will ensure that your selections are saved. You should see your icon and title now displayed prominently on your Notion page. Lastly, add a cover image to your page for additional customization. Click on the Add Cover option. This will provide you with options to choose a cover image that suits your page's content. Select a cover that enhances the visual identity of your table. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.